Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, this guy here make $250. This guy here make $143. This guy here make $87. This guy here make $85. This guy here make $50. And this also guy here make $50. Believe me, you can be making this kind of money sitting in your home. It's not difficult. It's very, very easy. Now, thank you for tuning into my channel. In case if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and then please click the bell icon so that you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. Now, I want to take you tutorial. What we do in this platform is I teach you how to make money in dollars. You understand? Teach you how to make money in dollars. Now, I want to teach you how to make this $250 here step by step. And I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can make this money. It's very, very free, very, very legit, and it's free. It's worldwide. You don't need to pay anything. Now let's go on now. Let me show you how. Let me show you how you can make the money now. Now the name of this site is as you can see, this is my available balance here. I have 0.55. I have 0.55 cents. The work I did was 11 cents. I was paid 11 cents for the recent work I did. Now let me show you people how to do this thing one after the other. Now you go to the site. The name of the site is starclick.com. Don't worry about the link. I will drop the link in my description below. So you just click on the link. Once you click on the link, it takes you to this page. Now if it takes you to this page, as you can see, look at the name here, starclick.com. You can see it up here. So just click the link below. It will take you to this page. Now, since you're a new member, you need to sign up. You click on this sign up button here. You click on this sign up here, and to take you to the page where you will sign up. Understand? Now, if you take you to this page, you will sign up as a publisher. As you can see now, we have publisher and we have advertiser sign up. Now you're signing up as a publisher. Why? Because the reason why you're here is to make money. So you sign up as a publisher. You click on the publisher here and wait for it to load. It has loaded now. It has opened. What you do is you write your first name, enter your last name, your date of birth, your home address, that's your postal code. You enter your city, write your where do you live, you see, your zip postcode. You can just ask Google for the Google will tell you your zip postcode of your area. Then your phone number, international format, then your mobile number too, you put it there. Then you go to, this is a sign-in information. That's your email address. Then you confirm your email address, then choose a password, and then you repeat the password here. Then you go to the next, then you choose a security question. You type an answer for the security question. Then where do you find us? You know, social media, anywhere. Then your referral ID, enter it here. This ID of your referral. That's if you have. Then enter the code below. You repeat this code in this box right here. After you're done, you click I confirm, then you click register, right? But since for me now, I already have an account. So what I will do is I will just go back and log into my account. Let's go back. Let me log into my account. Yes, since I already have an account here, what I will do is I will just put in my email address and my password. Since I'm a new, now I just click on sign in. Yeah, waiting for it to load. Yeah. Okay, see what this site does is they will give you 8 for you to click on. Now other people's this site is if you have 8, like if you have any business program you want them to like advertise for you, then you share with them, you pay them to advertise. Then you as a publisher, they will give you the 8 for you to click on. As a click, you get your own percentage. Understand? And they have been paying since 2008. Now let me show you how it works. Now you click on this PP8 here. This is where you click for you to make money, all right? You click on the PPC 8, it will open. Yeah, once it opens, you scroll down, then you will see your 8. Now you see, these are the 8 we have. You see this 98 here, where there is this 8 ID 98, 8 ID 61883. Now, they're supposed to be 11. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. As you can see, we have 11 now. How you click on the 8, let me show you now. All right, let's start from the number 1. Let's start from here. All right, what you do is you just click the 8. Once you click, you will wait for it to load. It will open. And sometimes it's not all that open. Sometimes they will not open, but even though it open or not, you will still get paid. So it's not hard. Yeah, we're waiting for it to open. Now this one now open now. Waiting. Yes, this one open now. Don't do anything. As simple as just leave it like this. Then you press your back. You go back and click on the next one. All right. You go back now. Then you click on the next one. Now let me show you so that you will know that we're making difference. Check this number now. This number is this I8 ID number is 6879. Let's click on it. We'll click on the one, it opens, we'll just go back. Like this one now is not opening, but they will pay us for it, all right? Doesn't matter whether it opens or not. They will still pay you for it. Now we'll go back again. Yeah, as you can see now, the number after this one is 5898. And to change, after clicking on this one, we'll go to 6877. Now let's click on this 5898. This one too refuses to open, but I will still get paid. Then we'll go back again, and then click on the next one. Click on the next one. Let's wait. Network is kind of misbehaving, but let's wait and see. Let's wait for it to loading. All right, this one has opened. Then once it's open, you just go back. Now let me show you so that you'll be sure that we're making difference. All right, let's be sure that we're making difference. Let me check what I have. You click on payout. Let's see what I have initially there. I have here available balance here is 59 cents. So 59 cents. So let's see if the money there is increasing. Let's click on PPC 8 so that we'll do some work and see. We'll continue working. Okay. Now you see this one we have is 6875. Let's click on it. 6875. 6875. Let's wait for it to load this network. Sha is our country, Sha. Let's manage it and see. Network is too bad. Very, very bad. Okay, this one's open. This one's open. Alright, so you just go back again and click on this one. 3352. Click on it to open. Let's wait for it to open. The reason why I'm taking it by step because I want you to understand how it works. You don't just jump into something. And I advise you to watch this video first. Alright, let's make another one again. Because me, I love to make sure that I finish everything first. I want to make sure I finish all the work I have. Understand? To be sure that you have that $11. If you do 2, they will pay you 2 cents. Do 3, they will pay you 3 cents. So it depends. So if you want to be very, very serious, let's go back again. And the next one. As you can see, now we have like, I think we have or something. We have like 4 there. Let's go to this 10, number 10. Waiting for it to load. Once it loads, it will open and then do everything. So although I don't want to take much of your time, but this is how you do. Then you do for all. And you have to make sure that you finish all of them so that they will pay you 11 cents. I can see we have 1, 2, 3. Let's click on this one. Let's see how it works. Let's wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. Open. So you just click back again. Now let's go. Let me see how much, because before it was 59. Let's see if the money had increased. All right, let's see if the money increased. 59. Now you see we have 65 now. We have 65. So that means it's increasing. Now the minimum payout is $50 now. If you reach $50, you can cash out, but you can wait it for it to reach $100, $250. As I told you, but the minimum withdrawal is $50. Then you can click. You just write the amount you want to pay. You click on transfer. That's all. Then let me show you our mode of payment. Let's go to settings. Let's see. Yes, their mode of payment is very, very okay. I like it. You see, they have you see, there's bank account here. Yes, you can withdraw through bank. Let me see. If you want to withdraw now, let's see what they are. If you want to withdraw, what you just do is to put your bank name, your bank country, your bank city, your bank address, your account number, IBTC. Only if you have, then your account number, then your sort branch, then your Swift code. That the Swift code is not hard. You can browse or you call it. Okay, they will tell you your Swift code of the bank. Then let's check the other mode of payment. Let me see. Payout settings. Let's see. Payout settings. Let's see the other mode of payments. Okay. Yeah, you see, they have there's a Bitcoin. You can see here they have Bitcoin wallet that they can pay you through Bitcoin wallet address. They just put your wallet address here, they will pay you, or your PayPal email address. They so pay through PayPal. As you can see, it's very, I like this, and it's 100% legit. They pay, but you have to be patient, all right? You need to work. Then that's if you don't want to be making this 11 cents per day. If you want to upgrade more money, upgrade to silver. Now, press on silver now. What this? The free one is silver. That limited. That you have access to 11 cents. You understand? Then, but if you upgrade to the gold, you unlock your $5 every day. Now imagine you making $5 every day. You know, it's something. It's something. So $5 every day. Then the platinum membership, all in gold. Now you can be making access to 11. You see, access to $7.50. Alright, so $7.50 per day. Let's go to calculator. Let me take 7.50. Let's take 7.50 30. That's if you want to withdraw it at the month end. Just go. Let me check. Let's calculate it. 7.50. Let's use calculator so that we'll know you can be, you know, times a month. You see, you can making $225 in a month. Understand? $255 bagam in a month. Understand? That is real money. Understand? At least it will help you. It's an additional money for you. So I think this is nice. If you have to upgrade one version, it absolutely, and then they have their referrals. You know, let's check the referrals and see how the referral system works. You get paid when you refer others to starclick.com. You also get paid if they upgrade their membership. The referral should use your referral link to sign up. As soon as your referral sign up or upgrade, you get paid. Your referral earnings is added to your account balance to see you referral report. So these are your referral link. You just click on it, copy the Facebook so that you will get more. All right, thank you very much. You see, I think you've seen enough, and then if in case you have any core question, you comment down below so that I can help you out on everything, whatever you need. I'm always here for you. And then please subscribe and then click the notification button so that each day I post any new video like this, you'll be notified that Joe has posted this. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Take care. All right.